The refreshed Tesla Model S Spied leaving the factory. On the trailer, that is. Now, it looks like deliveries for the refreshed Tesla Model S have already started. It's been less than 2 months since the refreshed Tesla Model S was unveiled, with more refined styling, a redesigned interior, and a certainly powerful Plaid variant. But customer deliveries appear to have already started. This is the first major update for the Tesla Model S since the electric sedan debuted 9 years ago, long before the Model 3 and the Model Y joined Tesla model lineup. Photos shared on social media show a fleet of updated Tesla Model S cars loaded on a transporter, leaving the Fremont factory. They all appear to be standard long-range models since they lack the red brakes, the badging, and a carbon fiber spoiler that distinguish the more powerful Plaid variant. Now, Tesla previously confirmed the new Model S long range will be available this month, so production seems to be on track. By contrast, the new Model S Plaid has been delayed until 2021 or mid-2022. Now, at first glance, you would be hard-pressed to tell that the refreshed Model S apart from the outgoing models, since the exterior changes are subtle. For the 2021 model year, or must I say subtle? For the 2021 model year date, the Model S features revised bumpers, a restyled hood, and a gloss black trim, replacing the chrome elements. More substantial changes can be found inside. The old car portrait touchscreen has been replaced with a horizontal, more responsive 17-inch screen. Any additional screen has been added to the center console for rear passengers. Wow, that's definitely nice. Now, there is also a redesigned yoke steering wheel, but you won't see it that much. You know, the conventional steering wheel is the one that you'll probably see the most, because the yoke steering wheel is up for a lot of contention. So we don't know what's going to happen with that, but pricing for the Model S long range is going to start at $79,990, while the Plaid version will set you back $119,000. Now, the new Model S long range utilizes a dual motor setup, producing a combined 670 horsepower, enabling the electric sedan to accelerate to 62 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, and offer an estimated driving range of 412 miles, which is perhaps the best that we've seen so far. Now, the Plaid is going to be producing a combined 1,020 horsepower. And that's just going to be awesome with a 390-mile range. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. And this is the new steering wheel with the new infotainment system. And this is just going to be straight up awesome, folks. And they're even going to have a instrument cluster, as you can see here. And they're going to have a screen for the backseat passengers as well. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.